Hello friends, Civil Quantity Insider by RG. Welcome to our practical estimation and costing training program. Our today's session on RCC Post engineering slab and beam quantity takeoff. We divided in four parts. First one is the overview of RCC Post engineering slab and beam quantity takeoff with the help of images and AutoCAD drawing. Part 2 is the RCC Post engineering slab quantity takeoff. Part 3 is the RCC Post engineering beam quantity takeoff. Part 4 is PT slab and beam tendon work. Stay tuned for more efficient and quick techniques in our upcoming sessions. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. This is the actual site image of tendon profile. This profile details given on consultant drawing from bottom of slabs. And these chairs maintain the profile of tendon length. This tendon with 5 strands 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This is a dead end of a strand. This is a stressing end of strand. This image is before casting of slab. There is a approx 500 length of strand for required stressing. This is a grout pipe for cement slurry. This is a grout pipe. After stressing, I will show you on notes after stressing how many days to take for grout filling. This is a tendon profile in column junction area. This tendon profile in slab area and column drop off area. This is a column drop off area. This is a PT drawing. Here we refer the three type of drawings. First one for the slab, second one for the PT beam. Here is a detail and section of PT beam. Third one is the for strand quantity workout. Now start with slab drawing. Here is the given the details of bar. Here we have to work out the S1 type bar, Z1 type bar. I will show you location of S1 and Z1 type of bar. This is a Z1 type bar. This bar shape is L shape, goes straight and bend in slab thickness. And this is a S1 type bar. Then T is the top reinforcement, B is the bottom reinforcement. Here is the given 8 mm dia, 200 mm center to center, top both ways. And similarly, 8 mm dia, 150 mm spacing center to center, both ways. This is the bottom steel. Next is this kind of this. This top steel, main steel and distribution. Similarly, bottom steel both ways. Now go for drop panel reinforcement details. Here is the given drop panel numbers A, B, C, D, E. Here is the top T1, T2, B3, P4, bottom reinforcement. Here is the mention the bar type of drop off panel. Here is the B, D, C, like that. Now middle strip top reinforcement details T3, T4, P and Q series. 8 mm diet, 200 mm center to center, and 10 mm dia, 200 mm center to center. Here is the location of P and Q prop reinforcement of middle strip area, like this, X and Y direction. Here is the P and Q. Here is the given diameter of strand, 12.7 mm. Legend for strands tendons are as follow: stressing end, dead end. Tendons are to be grouted after completion of all stressing. The grout shall be a neat cementitious grout with a water cement ratio of 0.45. Grouting shall be carried out early as possible but not later than 2 weeks of stressing a tendon. Before grouting tendons, anchorage blockouts are to be filled with approved cementitious material by the main contractor. Shuttering shall be removed after 24 hours of completion of stressing activity. 4 strips shall be concreting after 4 weeks from completion of stressing activity of both adjacent pores. 4 strips. I will show you 4 strips. This is a 4 strip. This 4 strip required if we cast this slab with 4 ways. Here is the end strand. Yes, here is the stressing end. Sometimes this side not available. The stressing end. Yes, here is the dead end. That time we use the 4 strip for the stressing end. This slab cast 4 ways. This is the first 4. Then next the second 4. That is the third, fourth. That time introduce a 4 strip approx 1 meter wide. Here is the given strand details. Given the number to strand, given this sign. Remember this sign. Legend. This sign indicate the how many strands in slab tendon. Like this. Start 12.7 mm strand. All the tends placed will be 1 in 8 or 1 in 10 slope. Dead end and live end can be interchanged as per site conditions for stressing feasibility. Tendon number 30. Yes, this symbol for the 2 strand slab tendon. This for 3, 4. This for 5 strand slab tendon. This is a stressing end. This is a dead end. This is a tendon layout drawing. Give the number to each and every tendon. Give the location of stressing end and fixed end or dead end. And for give the 500 mm approx stressing end. Here is the given tendon details. Here is the given dimensions from bottom of slab tendon layout. Here is the given the 390 mm. This tendon 1A and 2A is in 1 and 2A is in the beam profile, and beam depth is the approx 500 mm. That's why depth is the more than 300. This tendon in slab. Here is the given the depth below 250 mm. Thank you very much, friends. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe.